So we've gone through a couple of revisions on this F3X N55 exhaust, and as you can see now it is straight back, lost a couple more pounds. We have test fitted on a few more cars. I actually have a couple other F32s beside me that we got this done, and now we are ready to launch this thing. So pumped on how this exhaust came out. Let's go ahead and hear how it sounds. All right, this thing sounded pretty awesome. I'm pretty pumped with how this thing came out. This is a 3-inch all the way back, no resonator, fully open, just trying to make this thing scream as much as we can. It's actually not as loud as I thought it was going to be. The turbos on these modern cars just really quiet down quite a bit. I was wondering if we were gonna need to put a resonator in this thing or something to try to just shape the sound a little bit, but I'm actually pretty pumped with how this thing came out. So I don't think I want to quiet it down at all, as this is going to be our BimmerWorld MagnaFlow race system for our F3X race car. I am pumped. The pops, the bangs. Yeah, this thing sounds good. It does have just a touch of drone around 2,500 RPM, but part of the beauty of this ZF8 speed transmission is you can kind of shift your way around that. But also, like I said, this is our race system, so drone not really what this thing is shaped for, made for. This is just to be as open as we can make it so that we can hear this thing on track and let that turbo engine breathe as much as possible.
Ready to go?
Should be an awesome race weekend.
We are ready to kill it this year.
It's good.
It's going to be a wild ride.